Hello everyone, my name is Awaiskhan. I'm here to share my assignment of day 11 from Teknotrait. So let's begin with the assignment questions. So the first question is share 5 things which we test in SEO testing other than what is covered in training. So basically SEO is search engine optimization where we test because of to increase the views for our application while browsing. Like for example, if we search anything, for example, if we search if there is a particular website for us, and if there is a particular website which we have developed, and sometimes what people search is they need to an e-commerce website. We have developed an e-commerce website, and users search best e-commerce website. So our the company which our team has developed will be coming on like third to fourth page. So why SEO testing is required to optimize to get the if user searches this search the our application should be reflected in first page or on the top itself. So SEO testing is required. So the point is why SEO testing is required, because to remove messy URLs, and such as the second the broken links, and the third I could say to in testing we can remove irrelevant data. Then the fourth I could say adding the new content. Then I could say uh, like if there is a for the fifth I could say if there is a uh, if yeah, uploading a high resolution images, for example, this will be blocking, or there will be a slow response time in a web application or an application while browsing. So that's all for SEO. So that's the purpose SEO testing is required. Then uh, then the second I could say explain database testing by using your own example with tables and visuals. So database testing is nothing but database testing is here is my database where data includes employee ID, name, phone number, and department, and where these two tables are related to each other. For example, I could say if a table is having a unique, like for example, if table if there is a column which is unique, like it is not, if the values are not repeated itself, so it is a primary key where the values are not repeated. Then this is a primary key, and then these, if we using this, if we create another table, then this is a foreign key. Then for example I could say if combining these two, it is called as association. And then all these both the tables we call as a schema. Then then for phone number I could say this is a unique key. We will be calling this as unique. Why? Because not everybody's phone number will be same, but sometimes if there is no phone number, we can also add the person as this. Why the primary key and the unique key are a bit same, because a primary key will not be null and it is unique, whereas unique key will be unique and sometimes the value can be null. So I could say why database testing is required, because see, if I have if like if I will be removing data from, like, if 3A employee ID 3A Aaron is removed, Aaron is removed from this database, then there should be an error in like error in the first column, I could say, in the first table, which is this one, the first table. This should be having some of the problems there. There might be occurring some problems like uh, this if I have deleted this, then this also should be deleted. If it is not if it is not having any link, so that is the purpose of testing the database, where in usually in company we use relational database only. So If any of the data is deleted which is linked to each other, then there should be a certain disturbance in which data, or while if the data is created, there should be a certain disturbance. If there is no certain disturbance, then there is no point of creating relational database. So this is why the database testing is required. That's all for today. Thank you.